guys? I'm here today. I was working on the new HRX that I was building, and I got it all together, and then I found out that the actual transmission didn't engage, didn't work at all. I was waiting on a cable and finally got it, started up, and we didn't get anything. So I come to find out that the actual this is the one that was in the actual mower. It's leaking right here at this seal. Let's see if I can get it to actually. Well, it was pretty bad. Well, basically, I opened up the drain ports and the ports were empty. I mean, the whole component is completely dry. That's why we didn't get any action. But like I say, I spin the actual wheel here, and let me see what's going on. Anyway, I can tell you, when I turned this, I mean, she was leaking. If you can tell, she's wet everywhere, all across the back here. It didn't leak on this side, but all it is completely empty. So I had one from HRB, I think 216, something like that I got with some extra parts when I bought the motor. So it actually works, you know. So I need to change some arms out. I need to change this bracket out. This bracket goes here. So I got some work to do to put it back. But yeah, she's definitely was more than I anticipated. I definitely thought so. Well, all right, we'll check back in and everything. Get back to the take you soon.